Our next project is looking something like this. Now, as you can see, there are too many circles as its dimension. But looking at here, you will realize that the main reference point is this center. By analyzing how to start this project, you will realize that we can begin this project by actually drawing this circle, this smaller circle, this bigger circle, and then we can use the trace circles, so this one, okay, in order to draw this one and to draw this one. And I think the project will be done after using the trace circles. So let's start. I will draw this circle which has a diameter of 1. So that means its radius is 0.5. Now I'll pick anywhere as the center. Okay, now the radius is 0.5. Now it looks like this. And also this circle has a diameter of 1.5. That means if I will have another circle command, click this as the center, so they are concentric circle, and we'll choose diameter, the D. Okay, the diameter is 1.5. Now it looks like that. Okay, I'm done with these two. Now what I will do next is draw this, but I cannot draw this without the help of this trace circle. Now the trace circle, after I'm done using it, I can erase. So for example here, the diameter of the trace circle is 2.5. So I'll click the circle, then D as the diameter, then 2.5. That's it. After, I can draw one of this. So I have here, okay, the radius of this one. Now, as you have seen, the radius is not indicated, but we have seen here that, okay, the opening of this one is 0.5. That means the diameter of this circle is also 0.5. So let's key in D and 0.5. Now see here, a circle. Now another thing is, for us to terminate this line, we need to know the dimension of this. Now you will see here, this is diameter of 4. That means if I'll draw a circle around here, okay, this will be the end point, and also with the other ones. So we have here circle and the diameter D. Okay, that's 4. And if I will extend, okay, I will extend this line. Okay, enter. I will make another line. Okay, enter. Now I can use the trim command, enter, then I will trim this two. Okay, this one. Now the trace circle here, I can now erase. This one, no, instead of making another 5 for this one, I'll just use the polar array. So we have here polar array. Select this, enter, then I'll pick this as the center. Then you will see here, I can use the item as 6. Now since I have already selected the center, so automatically the spaces will be computed by the computer. So we have here 6, and then I'll close the array. It's done. Now I can trim the objects. Trim, enter, then select this. Okay, so it's looking almost the same now, except that this one